Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're at the beach. We are at the beach. So I'm gonna swim later, but for now I'm gonna film. I can build a sandcastle right here, but maybe later. But first let's film. So yeah, I'm gonna take pictures later. So I'm gonna film around the beach. I don't know what to film, but I'll film. I am gonna swim and I'm still gonna film it, just not in the water. So today I thought I'd take you along with me for a little beach walk. There's something so calming about being by the ocean, don't you think? The sound of the waves and the salty breeze, it's like a natural therapy session, don't you think? I found andesite. I found andesite. Wow, fun! Ang fun! Ang fun kaya! Ang fun! I wanna go in so badly.
Look at the dog.
Why is there a crater here? Why is there a crater? Well, alright, it's good.
Dinild nila yan. Don't destroy it.
Pag pupunta ang tubig dito, tsaka destroy na yan.
O, hayaan mo ang water ang mag-destroy, pero wag ikaw.
I have a feeling the water is gonna destroy it. Ang laki na ng alon. Laki na ng alon. Who keeps cleaning that up?
Baka may crab.
Because I don't like crabs. I want to swim so badly. I want to swim. I'm gonna go. Let's get my swimming trunks. I want to swim.
Okay, tara na.
The sea is literally tempting me to swim. Swim now. Picture tayo.
Wala si ate. Mamaya na pag dumating si ate.
I want to hear from you guys. What are some of your favorite ways to unwind and practice self-care? Drop your ideas in the comments below. I'd love to read them. I love running in the waves. It's the best thing ever because the water feels super cold and it's so funny when it splashes you. I think the ocean is like a giant swimming pool or something. You know, one thing I loved about the beach, guys, is how spontaneous everything feels. People are always out here enjoying the moment, meeting new folks, maybe even trying something new, whether it's surfing, paddleboarding, or just sitting and watching the waves. It's basically a free therapy session. By the way, guys, I am here at White Beach in Puerto Galera, and tonight we are diving into the exciting nightlife this beautiful spot has to offer. From beach bars and live music to dance floors under the stars, Puerto Galera's nightlife is a must-see. Hat mo.
Opo, bibit-bitin ko yan.
Hat mo. Suotin mo na. Wala na kayo nakikalamutan.
Wala na po.
Yung susi na sa doorknob, kasi 'di ba sabi ng shop owner, iiwan na ng susi sa labas tapos alis. Nabayad na.
Opo, kahapon pa po.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are kicking off our second hotel for the next few days. I'll be taking over the Sea Jewel Hotel here in Puerto Galera, and I couldn't be more excited. And let's take a tour of this incredible hotel today. But what really sets this hotel apart is its amazing pool area. Just look at the gorgeous view from the lobby. The pool is waiting for us. It's the perfect place to soak up in the sun, take a refreshing dip, or simply relax with a good book.
So,
Aamoy ako ng chicken McDo.
yung chicken McDo,
Since I was hungry, we went out to get food.
ano order mo, Cody?
Yung order ko, chicken silog na plain rice.
And,
And juice.
free juice.
Let's see what it tastes like. Okay naman, mukhang Coke but hindi naman Coke.
Kasi iced tea yan eh, hindi talaga siya Coke.
Sarap. Sarap. Pa-taste nga ng coffee.
Sige. Ano lasa?
Masarap. It's yummy.
Ba't hindi ba yummy yan?
Yummy naman. Then, lahat na. Ang laki ng waves!
Dapat pa-break na kayo, mata.
Wave! I wanna swim!
Nice.
Holy! Oh my! Ang lakas ng alon.
Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Oh!
Safe to swim in.
Okay, jetzt meine Verschwendung.
Let's lick it out.
Det gik ikke godt. Havde det været skiftryk, så havde du ikke kunne være her.
Det kan du ikke. Jeg garanterer for, at du ikke.
I'm running. I think the beach is one of the best places ever. You can run, jump, play all day, and find cool stuff. It's really fun to be just outside and get sandy and wet. What's your favorite thing to do at the beach? Tell me in the comments below. I might read them.
Cody. Sing, Sigma Boy. Sigma Boy, Cody.
Hey guys, me and my mom reached the other side of the beach, and she said this is not fine sand. But this ain't even sand anymore. This is just rocks. It's just rocks, no sand in sight. So that's why we're only gonna picture and go to the side of the beach that I swam yesterday. So I'll catch you. So I'll see you later once we're at this other side of the beach. See ya.
Oh, ganda. Oh, hindi na. Naka-video na to. Papadating, papadating, papadating.
I'm gonna keep playing now, but I hope you guys liked my beach vlog. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!